Hey fellow expeditionists, this video is for my fellow Subaru enthusiasts. I've got a new accessory here from Rallitek to get installed, so let's see what's in the box. It's a whittle ladder. No, that is not the ladder. This is the Rallitek Edition CNC aluminum ladder specifically for the 2024 model year Subaru Crosstrek. I believe it's for all trim levels. It is manufactured by Nash Fabco, and they say it can be installed with no drilling required and no rubbing on paint. So it is a one-piece construction, giving it a very clean look. And it's extremely lightweight. It's only like 5 pounds, and it can handle up to 250 pounds once we get it installed. Now I got the powder-coated matte black finish to match my trim, but for those interested, Nash Fabco now offers them in 14 colors. So how this is to be installed is, there's a bracket for the top and the bottom edge of the rear gate. Now these brackets have rubber padding to protect the paint finish. The ladder will then fit between the brackets, and once screwed on, it will firmly grip the gate to stay in place. So this is the top bracket. It's got 3M tape on the back of it. So once we put it on here, strip that off. But it's got a little lip right here, and that lip has to fit right under. And you're supposed to align the left edge here with the inner edge of the crossbar. So you would align it there with the tape off, press it in place, make sure that it's tight back there, and then we'll put the actual ladder on. So there is a little bit of a gap on each side, and some people I've seen on YouTube will fill in the gap with like extra layers of 3M tape. But I'm not going to worry about it. You've got the 3M tape right here, plus with the hook action going on here, and once everything is tightened up, it's going to be fine. So now the inner edge of this will attach to that. No screws needed. So you can see where I've got it here. It does have rubber bumpers there where it is touching right now, where it is touching against the paint. So shouldn't be any kind of scratching going on. Now we just got to get that lower bracket on there and get it attached. So I've got the door just slightly lifted, just enough for me to slip this under here. So I found this part a little bit tricky, getting in all these screws here, holding it in with one hand, getting the screws started. And of course then you got to tighten down the 2 screws on the bottom attaching to the ladder to bring it up snug before you can tighten in these. So if you tighten these in too soon, you'd be tightening right into the back of the car. So you got to make sure this is snug up here before you get to those. Then you can do that. All right, there it is. Rallitek ladder, fully installed. Seems pretty tight. Anytime I move the ladder, the whole car shakes. I'll tell you one little tip though, it'd be a lot better if you had something better than this kind of little hex wrench. Get you some good hex wrenches. This is all I could find in this size, so yeah, I know what I need to get. All right, quick close-up look. You can see underneath, the top here doesn't have any kind of screws whatsoever. It literally just attaches to that bracket and slides into place. And you come down here, and you've got the screws into the bottom of the ladder as well as into the brace, making it nice and tight. All right, time for the real test. Getting on it. Oh yeah. There we go. Easy entry. I know some of you are probably thinking, what's the purpose in the ladder? For some people, of course, it's just to accessorize and look cool. And for me, it's another way to climb up into my inspired overland rooftop tent or access my cargo box or cargo rack when those are installed. The ladder also offers a point of attachment for other accessories such as gas canisters, water canisters, shovels, or maybe even an off-road jack. Regardless for use, it is functional. So I hope you enjoyed this little video here showing the install of the rallitek aluminum ladder, also available from Nash Fab Co. because they're the ones who actually manufacture it. I will put the links down in the description for both companies, depending on who you want to order from. So, till next time, peace out.